You're good.
Okay.
Go, have fun.
Okay. I'm falling. I'm really falling. Really, I am. Look back. I'm going to fall soon, okay? And when I fall, if I die, you can have all my toys. Is this horrible? I'm gonna fall. No. Okay. We were in the strong man. Oh, I didn't want to be in the strong man. Hey, Bill, somebody might come out this way. Someone's coming. We got it. I got a yellow this time. Okay. Can't move. Cancel. I'm in the Zazzy bar. I couldn't breathe. I really couldn't breathe. I really couldn't breathe. I just went underwater for a long time. I'm coming. So, Daddy wants me to put the thing on. A little bit I want to.
That one was even funner.